What is up, y'all? So I am doing some closet reorganization, revamping, and I figured I would take you guys along the journey. So far I've gone through my entire closet and just got rid of stuff. So I have 2 bags of stuff that I'm getting rid of. So I'll show you what my closet looks like right now, and then I'll take you along the journey. It's honestly already extremely organized. I just need to make more room for more stuff. First, we stopped at Walmart to get these storage bins. While contemplating life, I decided to take everything out of the closet that was in the way, and then started taking the tape off the storage bins and figuring out what was going where. I started taking all my t-shirts out of this one bin I had and considered making a blanket, so that's why they're spread all over the place, but then I changed my mind because I realized I didn't have enough t-shirts. We put socks in the first drawer. Then put all those t-shirts in the bottom big drawer. Gym shorts in the second drawer. And just watch Whiskey in the background. I had literally no idea he was back there. Absolutely none.
Whiskey! Hey, we're gonna take bed because there's an animal urgent here because she killed her cat. He's having turtle bleeding because she shoved him into the drawer. Oh my god.
Okay, back to work, this time folding up some sports bras. Ended up putting the sports bras in color coordinated order because I'm so OCD. After that, we finished up by putting away all my sweatpants. And we're done, and I have a ton of extra space to hang more clothes now.